In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get paid to do absolutely nothing. Okay, so you can go out there and do whatever you want, and this specific application will earn you money while you are at work, while you are doing something else online, or while you are sleeping. Okay, so if you would like to know what this specific application is, then stay tuned and watch this video all the way till the end. I will show you how to make the best of it. Okay, so if you guys are new to this channel, you should know by now that I cover ways to make honest money online, no clickbait or highly exaggerated income claims. If that sounds interesting to you and you would like to see more, then subscribe to the channel and start watching my videos all the way till the end, as I do show you honest ways to make money online. Okay, no clickbait, real earnings, and exactly what you can expect to earn from these sites and apps that I show you. So I know that a lot of you also come online to watch and learn about affiliate marketing. This is basically the best channel, Miles Backless channel. Before I get into the app, I just want to show this to you. You guys, they do want to learn how to start affiliate marketing the right way and not the wrong way. I would highly recommend you come over to Miles Backless channel. He gives all his information for free. He makes upon millions of dollars a year with affiliate marketing, and he shares what he knows for absolutely free. Okay, so you guys who want to start learning affiliate marketing, go over to his channel and start learning right away. Okay, so today's app is Honeygain. Okay, so Honeygain, basically what Honeygain is an app that sells your bandwidth, internet bandwidth, for money. So in exchange for you renting them your internet bandwidth, you can make money with Honeygain on complete autopilot. Okay, the app is not on the Play Store. You need to go to their website and download the app from there. It's the legit app. There is copycat apps on the Play Store or on the Apple Store, and they do not pay you out. Okay, so Honeygain, what Honeygain does is it rents out your bandwidth and your IP to Fortune 500 companies like Facebook and all of those, and they test out their ad campaigns or different ad campaigns from people that run ads on their platform, also universities, and they do online research to see which ads you get shown on what platforms and how the algorithm will react to your IP from different countries. They do need people from all over the world to do this, but also the earnings will differ from country to country. So if you live in the United States or Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand, you will obviously earn more, or any other Western European country. But for the rest of us, we'll all be earning the same amount, which is not much. Okay, but also depends on how fast your internet is. So if you've got a faster internet, for example 10 megabytes per second, which they do recommend for you to make the most of, which anybody can make the payout very soon, then you would make a lot more money. But do not let that discourage you, because there are other ways you can make the best of this platform. Okay, so they will not compromise your security. Okay, so they're not using your IP for a VPN or any malicious activity. They're only trusted vendors and companies may use their service. Okay, now I just want to show you. Okay, so setup: install the app on your devices and connect them to the internet. Run Honeygain, let it gather, help businesses get paid. Okay, so if you have two devices like me, you can expect about $16 a month, but this number does go up over time. Okay, as you stay on the platform and you become a trusted member, the income does go up over time. Okay, so if you've got content delivery activated as well, which I would do, I would actually leave this on. There is a queue for it, but you can drastically increase your income. Now you can only connect two devices on one IP address. Currently I've got it as well. Okay, so I'm running my one Android phone and also my PC, as you can see. Okay, So for the past few months, I haven't actually been very active with Honeygain, to be completely honest with you guys. I can run up to 1 gigabyte a day if I leave it on completely on its own to run its own, but I don't really always make the effort to do it. But it can be different for you guys. Okay, I also don't have any referrals yet. Okay, but as you can see here, now if you've got 2 IP addresses, for example 2 routers, then you can connect 4 devices and your earnings will go higher. But I would recommend just keeping 2 devices on and start making referrals if you can. Now the best place to find referrals is basically on platforms like Facebook, make money online groups, and also Reddit. Okay, there's a lot of subreddits where you can actually go and get referrals. Now invite friends and get 10%. Now you will be getting 10% of their earnings. Now as you can see here, they have a minimum payout of at least $20, so you need $20 to cash out. If you haven't reached that payout yet, you cannot cash out. Okay, but I would really suggest, if you're going to do this way, do it. If you are going to use Honeygain, rather do it this way. Let your phone run 24/7 with the app. It really doesn't take a lot of internet or a lot of power or CPU usage on any of your devices to run within the background. There are other apps like Honeygain which I am currently testing out, and I will share the information with you as soon as I find out if they are legit or not. Okay, I do have a few people that are willing to help me test out these apps. Okay, and I will be bringing their findings and mine to the front as well. Okay, so currently I only have 74 cents. Okay, the last time I used it, I ended up at about just over 50 cents. And since I've used it from the 6th of October, as you can see here, on the 6th of October, I have actually went up to 74 cents. So that just corroborates what I'm saying to you. Honeygain doesn't let me see for previous months what I've earned. Okay, it only shows you for the last 30 days. You can't change it yet to look up in the past. Okay, for over 30 days. But as you can see, they now basically think that or assume that I'm going to be on the platform for long. So the earnings have went up. Okay, as you can see here, that I've also sent about 8 gigabytes, almost 8 gigabytes worth of data to them. Like as I said, I have not been running this app consistently as I should have been. Okay, I actually wanted to make a video on this app in the past, but I have just been lazy, and I'm an alcoholic, so I drink a lot, and after a few beers I do get lazy. I switch on my Xbox and I go play, and I do apologize for that. Okay, but the link for Honeygain will be down in the description. It's a referral link. Okay, it's an affiliate link, so if you guys want to sign up under me, you can. If not, just go to honeygain.com yourself, sign up and see how it works. Okay, so this may affect, as I said, for the type of countries that you live in. So countries like in the Middle East, in Upper Africa or Asia may not actually earn the same amount as other people from different countries, like maybe Europe, because Europe falls under second tier, Western Europe falls under second tier, and the rest of the world goes under third tier. But you can make up for it, like I said, with referrals. Now the best place to actually get referrals, like I said, is with those groups, but there are also other methods. Okay, you can, what I've seen some guys do is just record their screens on Honeygain and upload videos to YouTube. Okay, so they record their screens maybe for a few hours, and people see how much they earn and how Honeygain works, and they leave an affiliate link down below in the description, which is very easy to use. All you need is basically OBS Studio and VSTC video recorder, video editor, and that is basically all you need and nothing else. Okay, so I do hope that this video helps you guys out. Okay, I know it's not a lot of money, but it is a start to something. This is a way of earning which you don't actually actively go out and click links and do tasks for it. This money can accumulate it by itself over time. Okay, and you'll be surprised how much money you can actually make, because I've seen some guys make up to $1 a day, other guys make up to $150 a month. But as I said, it varies based on your internet speed, and also your location and how many devices you've got connected. Okay, so I hope this video helps you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, comment down in the description your country, where you are from. Also consider subscribing to the channel, as I'll be bringing more videos like this for you guys in the future.